All right, so let's check this bad boy out. It is a foot massager. And yeah, let's just open it up and see what we got in here. If I can figure out how to open it. There we go. All right, so there we are. Yeah. Oh yeah, looks like it's one piece. So let's go ahead and just pull her out. Set that back there. And let's take a look at it. I think this is going to be pretty simple. You just plug it in and Bob's your uncle. All right, there we are. Check it out. It's got some instructions in it. Let's set her down there for a second. All right, so it comes with some instructions, and that's the transformer in there. So I think it's 12 volts, so it's got you got to plug it in. And we'll set that to the side for now. And they give you this thing. Nice to meet you. It's got some information on the back. Warranty. And then here's this is your plug-in. So it's, one of those basic plugs where you stick it in somewhere on here and then plug this into the wall. So basically you plug this in the wall and you got to put this, hook this up here. And I think it's right here, look. It's right there. So there it is. So let's just go ahead and we'll plug it in. All right, so there's your plug. It's on the back here. You'll see it right on the very back towards the bottom. And then you just got to shove this in there. Bam. And then, of course, we got to undo all this. All right, so now we've got a lot of cord, as you can see. And we can plug it in and try it. And the top here is this. I think we just, oh look, it tells us what this is. All right, so we can take that off of there and get rid of that. And this is all of your stuff. So once we plug it in, we got to hit this button, and then we can try all these different modes. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So let's give it a shot and see what we think. All I got to do is plug it in. So I'm going to pull this over here to my plug underneath my desk, right over here. Okay, it's plugged in, right? See, it's making some beeping noises, just like this. I guess you could wear socks so you don't get it all stinky and dirty. And then once your feet are in there, hit the power button. Oh, and it just starts moving. Oh yeah, that's nice. Feels good. All right, so what I'm feeling is on the bottom of my feet, it's kind of like going up and down. And now it's squeezing them. I'm always worried that my feet are going to get stuck in here and I can't get them out. And they'll be all smushed. Feels pretty good though. So I'm on, every setting is on low. 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 You follow me? And it's given a pretty good massage, I gotta say. I mean, you can't see, you can't really tell, but it's cranking pretty good. And so we can try, like, if I want to do a little go up one, watch. I'm gonna go to medium. Right, I did that. I'm gonna go medium here, and we'll go medium here. So now I'm on medium. Now the vibration's stronger here, and it's squeezing a little bit more. Oh yeah, you can feel it. Now if I want to hit the heat, I just go like that. And now I'm going to have heat on it. That feels pretty good, I gotta say. The medium, I do like. It's not that hard. It's not really squeezing that much. And you can feel it all the way down to your heels. All right, so shall we tempt fate and just go up? High, high, high. Now I'm on full blast. Oh yeah, that's a little bit stronger for sure. So anyway, you guys will have to check it out, try it out, and see what you think. I can't really show you, I guess. Well, I could just go like this. 1, 2, 3. And then you can pull your feet out. I think you might be able to see it if I go in here. Let's go ahead and start it again. And it's Not hitting, is it? Okay, now it's on. So if you look in here, you can see like this is moving. You see that? Like if I put my hand there, you can feel it. And this kind of squeezes inside there. So yeah, and this is squeezing on the side right here. It's like filled with air and squishes your ankles. Right here, you see that? See how that's smushing? Look, it's only 2 inches now. It's only 2 inches now. So yeah, it does kind of crush it. So to turn it off, you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and bam, you're done. And that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this thing right here. Peace out.